Good morning, railroad fans. Cajon Pass. We have a Z train here, isn't Zebra? We're at milepost 63 almost. It's Thursday, it's almost the weekend. I'm ready. How about you guys? Those locomotives are starting to go up through Sullivan's Curve right there. That's about the middle of Sullivan's Curve. It's going to make a big swing back to the right. Complete. I like the backdrop here. It's beautiful, and we're actually watch it for a mile or so, it's pretty nice when you can see the whole train at once. Might get some rain later this afternoon up where I live at Crestline. It's supposed to start clouding up here pretty soon. It already is a little bit, which is great for me. I like to shoot in the cloudy weather a little bit. You know, where it's making the curve there, right over the green area, that's milepost 62 down there. And we're at actually about milepost 2.9 right here. All right, we hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel. Give us that big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We also have YouTube membership now. You do everything right at home here. We really need your support. We've already got a couple. We're going to give some shout outs later today. You got to keep us going out here. We love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Let's be kind. Take care.